Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of participate. Participate in an action or endeavor. For example, thousands participated in a nationwide strike. The second definition of participate. A particular quality. For example, both members participate of harmony. American pronunciation. Participate. Participate. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Participate. Say. Participate. Participate means, be involved. Participate. Participate. Participate origin. Late 15th century as an adjective, from Latin participate, shared in, from the verb participare, which is based on pars part, plus capere, take. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Parents need to engage with sport and encourage their children to participate. Now, repeat after me. Parents need to engage with sport and encourage their children to participate. The second practice. 22 patients participated in an additional joint consultation with their own doctor. Now, repeat after me. 22 patients participated in an additional joint consultation with their own doctor.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.